Welcome to another episode of Motion.io Power Workflows. In this video, I'll show you how you can truly make Motion.io your one home for client projects by connecting and embedding all of the other tools, apps, and websites you already use to run projects directly into tasks that both clients and team members can complete without having to navigate away from Motion.io. If you're new to Motion.io and haven't used it yet, the Embed button in the right-hand side of Motion.io's Task Composer lets you connect virtually any third-party app or website directly to a Motion.io task. To embed something in a task, paste in the URL, shareable link, or embed code from the app, software, or website you want to use, and click Save. After you assign and send the task, the content that you embedded will appear directly within it. Now that you understand the basics of how task embeds work, I want to run through the 5 most popular ways I see our users implement task embeds in their project workflows. The first and by far the most popular way to use task embeds is to connect your online appointment scheduling software like Calendly, SavvyCal, HubSpot calendars, and many others directly to tasks in a Motion.io project so clients can book a time with you without ever leaving their portal. If you are like so many of our Motion.io users that use Calendly for online appointment scheduling, the process of embedding could not be simpler. Just copy the URL of the Calendly calendar you want to connect and paste it into the embed modal of the corresponding Motion.io task. One thing to note about this example is it can be especially useful if you use different calendars for different stages of a project. For example, you might embed your specific kickoff call calendar in a task that is the final step of the onboarding stage. Then later, once the client's initial work is complete and you go on to provide ongoing support or maintenance, you could set up a recurring monthly task that includes your check-in call calendar, automating your entire post-delivery workflow while ensuring that your team has a clear understanding of what type of call was booked. When you need to highlight things like the performance of digital marketing campaigns, the performance of a client's website in the search engines, or other types of financial, marketing, or growth metrics, the problem is that even after building out a custom, easy-to-digest reporting dashboard, ensuring clients remember how and where to access it, let alone review it on a regular basis, can be a battle in and of itself. By embedding your reporting dashboards directly into Motion.io tasks, you can make it dead simple for clients to access critical data while ensuring they are automatically notified to review it on a regular basis. A great example of a type of reporting dashboard I see many Motion.io users embed is built on a tool like AgencyAnalytics, Hootsuite, or Google Looker Studio, just to name a few. All you need to do is go into the report, click Share, copy the embed code from the modal, and then return to your Motion.io task to paste it into the embed window in that task. By embedding reports like these, you can make performance data easily accessible to clients. No separate login, no navigating different platforms, just the insights they need right inside intuitive portals branded to your business. Another highly effective way to use task embeds in Motion.io is adding videos from another platform that clients and team members can watch directly within a task. Well, you can embed videos from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. One of the most popular platforms I see users embed videos from is Loom. To embed a Loom video, go to the video library inside your account, click Share on the video you want to embed, choose the Embed option, and paste the code you copy into your Motion.io task. Are you tired of team members or clients losing the link to a Google Sheet you need them to review or update? Using Motion.io's embed functionality, you can integrate Google Sheets directly into tasks. To embed a Google Sheet into a task, open the Files dropdown on the spreadsheet you want to embed, click Share, and then Publish to Web. Then simply return to your Motion.io project and paste the code into your task. A pro tip if you have spreadsheets that clients or team members need to review or update on a regular basis, when you click the recurring option, Motion.io will prompt you to enter a day and time each month you need that task to be completed on. And after you start that recurring task by sending it to your client or team member, it will automatically create an identical version on the schedule you specify. The fifth and final most popular way to use task embeds in Motion.io is to connect third-party payment software like Stripe, PayPal, or Square so customers can view invoices and submit payments directly in their portal. This way to use task embeds is especially useful if you collect payments within defined stages in each project. Stripe is by and large the most popular payment platform that I see our customers at Motion.io use. And while we have plans to release a direct integration with Stripe later this year, right now, using the form builder tool Fillout, you can create forms that are connected directly to your Stripe account in a couple minutes and use the task embed option to add them directly to a client task. So that does it for this video on how task embeds work and 5 examples of how you can use them in your Motion.io projects and templates. That said, if you have questions about this functionality or want other examples of how you can use it, our team is here to help. Send us an email at hello@motion.io or start a support chat with us by clicking the blue contact widget you'll see in the bottom right-hand corner of your account. My name is Sam Chlebowski, signing off for episode 3 of Motion.io Power Workflows. See you next week, everybody.